guys, today it's Ansley, and if I don't know if you can tell, but since you're kind of far from me, I just wanted to let you know I'm using my selfie stick, and I'm sorry I'm just walking down the stairs because I hadn't got it ready yet. So today I'm going to be showing you two things. Well, first is I made my slime. Well, I made my slime today, this morning, and I made it with what's it called? Stayflo, something like that. And like clear Elmer's glue, or you can use just white glue, but it has to be Elmer's glue. So yeah, I made it, but I don't know if you can tell, but it's pretty dirty because I dropped it some. So yeah, sorry, I just had to do something. So yeah. No, sorry, I was talking to my mom. So yeah, here's the slime. There's the squishy. Oh, and I didn't tell y'all, but this strawberry squishy, it's like a little strawberry. It's not jumbo, it's not mini, but it's like a medium. It's like the size of my palm. And it's scented. It smells like real strawberries. It just dropped, but I'll get that in a second. So yeah, here is my slime. I'm going to open it. See, it's pretty dirty if you can tell inside, but that's not going to stop us from showing it. That makes no sense, but I will. I'm going to show y'all it. So I just took it out of the container. That's what it looks like. Hold on, let me get the thing I don't know how to do this. Hold on, just 1 second. Can you fix it? Sorry, just wait 1 second. Okay, thanks. So yeah, now it's longer. Okay, so here's my slime, like I said. And it's not as much as you think it would be, but it's a pretty good bit. It's a pretty good bit. So yeah, right there. Okay, so I'm just gonna show y'all it. I don't even know how to do this. Oh well. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. It's not so sticky once you play with it, but you can still tell that it's kind of sticky because it kind of sticks to your hands. See? But it's still fun to play with, and if I were you, I would recommend doing putting it in a container with a top. It has to be with the top where the slime will dry out. So oh, and I forgot to mention, you can use, I don't know if I said this, but you can use
Sorry, I'm blurring it. I think you were looking on it.
you can use white Elmer's school glue or the clear. I used the clear, but it didn't turn out that clear. So next, I'm going to show you. It's not as sticky.
Hey.
So next, I'm going to show you my squishy. Sorry, I had to walk into a different room. My parents were in there. Sorry, it's sideways. I'll just show you right here. So here is my little strawberry squishy. It's not really slow rising. I'm sorry, it's really hard to squish it when I just have one hand. Let me set this down like that. There we go. That's perfect. I still have slime in me. See how I was talking about it was sticky? So yeah, it's pretty squishy and it smells so good. But it kind of, I don't know if you can tell because it's really dark in here, but it kind of ripped. But it's still really squishy. But it's not that slow rising. But I love it. It came in the package today, and I had this other squishy that I was going to show you, but I lost it. So I'm not going to tell y'all what it is because I might find it, and I'll show you in my next video. Wait, I've already showed you it. It's the milk bottle one. I'm dumb. Okay. So yeah. I hope y'all enjoy my video. make sure to like this video, subscribe, and go follow me on Musical.ly. My name on Musical.ly is amazing_pup, if you want to know how to spell that. Amazing is spelled M-A-A-Z-I-N-G, and just underscore, and then pup, P-U-P. So bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.